if you have never ever made money online, I guess this is by far the coolest way by which you can make money on Fiverr. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Fiverr without any skills. And in this past week, I discovered this new way of earning money on Fiverr, and I just couldn't wait to share it with you guys, because no gatekeeping here, guys, as I've actually experimented this and this actually works. But if and only if you follow the exact steps that I'll be sharing with you in the course of this video. Hi guys, I'm TFI, and on this channel basically I show you practical ways on how you can leverage online platforms in order to make money online. So now Fiverr per Google said in just August, Fiverr.com received 109.72 million visits, and this is actually great, meaning there are a lot of clients coming on this particular platform, which is exactly what we want, because whatever service we are going to be offering, we need to be sure that there is a market for it. So just follow me closely as I'm going to be revealing this in different steps so you can get it right and earn as much as you want. Now, the very first step is you want to go to Fiverr.com and you want to click on the join icon. And once you click on it, it will take you to this particular page where you can create a new account, either with your Google, with your email, with your Apple, or with your Facebook. But if you already have a Fiverr account, you might want to skip this step. Now on Fiverr, which is a freelancing platform to sell services such as graphic and design, you can see programming and tech, you can see digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation, music and audio. We have a whole lot. Now the second step you want to do is you want to focus on the service you want to offer. You can do this without any skill, so you do not have to be worried about what skill do I have or what skill do I have not. You can actually pick as much service as you want to. However, we want to choose a service with a high need and a low competition. For example, because people will just say, okay, you can go ahead and choose a skill, and they just go ahead and choose something like logo design. So if you choose something like logo design, you can see logo design has over 130,000 people who have listed out their gigs, meaning when you put out your gig, you are competing with over 130,000 people. So what is the possibility of yours being seen? The possibility or the probability is much lesser, because there's just a whole lot of competition. Or if you go to something like video editing, you can see video editing has like over 40,000 people who have put out gigs, and they are like your competitors, and it's just way too much. An easier way to analyze that is you can easily utilize Fiverrlytics, which is an analytics from Fiverr. Now I'm going to be sharing some low Fiverr gigs with high demand, but if you have watched up to this point, right, just leave in the comment the word Fiverr, because I want to know that you are following. I want to know that you watched up to this point, and also make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button so you get to see more of my videos. Back to the low competitive Fiverr skills. So one of the things that you may want to leverage on is something like lyrics videos. Now, you watch a lot of music videos, and you see there are just sometimes where you just can see the lyrics on the screen and the song in the background and just a little of graphics there. That is lyrics video. And you can see that it just has about 2,300 results. The competition is low, but you can see the gigs here. At least you can see 934 reviews, 251 reviews, 102 reviews, and you can see that this particular reviews, you know that not everybody would leave a review after purchasing a sale. So if this person has 934 reviews, he probably just has over 1,500 or even 2,000 sales already. So this is actually in demand with less competition. Another thing you may want to leverage on is mock-ups. So a brand wants to try how their logo will fit into a t-shirt, or it fits onto a product, or how it fits onto a mug. That is what mock-ups do. And you can see for mock-ups, it has like 9,400 results, which is practically low if we are actually comparing it to some very, very high competitive ones. You can see the pricing is something that is actually cool. So imagine you have 3 jobs in, let's say, even a week, and you set your pricing at $115, you have made over $300 in just a single week. And that is quite good for a starter and someone who doesn't have the skill, right? So now the third one is social content. You can see social content also has about 9,400-ish results, and you can see that the reviews are there. You can see over 200 reviews, over 268 reviews, and this just signifies that there are a lot of people demanding for it. And remember, not everybody would leave a review, so which is quite great and which is something you want to leverage on. Now, the very third step you want to do is you want to create a gig on Fiverr. So once you have joined Fiverr, once you have set it up, you want to go here, you want to click share your gig, and you want to go ahead and create a new gig. So now let's say we're going to do lyrics video. The first thing we want to do is we want to see what exactly is selling, what exactly is the top selling on this particular niche. We can easily go to like the best selling, and under the best selling we'll be able to see what people often request for. And you can see here, this person has animated lyric video. You can see here too, animated lyric video. So this is to tell you that the kind of lyric video people are literally going for the most is an animated lyric video. And that is what you want to take advantage of. Though the pricing may be like this, you can see 115, 135, though it may be like that. Remember that in Fiverr, it gives you the option to set either the basic, the standard, and the premium. So though the basic may be 100, 115, or maybe even some that are even looking lesser, remember that the premium will offer more. And this is a good thing because it gives us the potential to earn even more. So now the next thing you want to do is you want to follow through in creating your gig. I will create professional looking lyric video for your song. Or let's say you want to do animated. You want to say, I will professionally create animated lyric videos for your song. But keep in mind to always use keywords in every area of your gig creation, as it would optimize your gig for SEO such that people easily see it when they search it. One way to find the keywords, you can use Fiverr, you can even use Google Trends, you can use ChatGPT to give you keywords people are often searching for when they think of lyric video. So now you want to set your category, which is video and animation, music video. You can see here lyric video, the video type, you can click animated, and of course here you want to put in the keywords here. The fourth step you want to do is you want to set your pricing, because this is the juicy part. So what you want to do is you want to carve out a package that you can offer at a very low price. So if you have looked out on the overview on lyrics video and you can see an average person can sell about $115, I would suggest that your basic package is a bit lower, let's say $75, just to draw more attention to yourself. So you want to carve out something for your basic at a low price. Then as you increase the package all the way to standard and all the way to premium, then you can increase the pricing. You may not have an idea of this particular skill, so you may not even know what to write. You can easily mirror a high performing gig and just tweak the words a little. For example, the basic, the standard, the premium, just look at what this person is offering and you want to mirror that. And this is the description, so you want to just follow through the gig creation process until you get to the end and publish. So you can see for the description here, I already showed you, you can mirror this. This is the description, you want to mirror this. My name is that. Of course, your name is not Ezekiel, right? So you want to impute your name and you want to just tweak this a little, right? And you want to do all of that, put in the requirement for the gallery. You can easily leverage easy pictures by going on Fiverr and just typing lyric video thumbnail, and you are going to see a whole lot of thumbnail which you can either leverage just like that. Canva literally gives you the opportunity to do that easy peasy, and then you want to publish. And once you do that, your gig becomes live and people are able to book your services. Now, once that happens, remember, we do not have the skills, okay? We do not have the knowledge. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to another platform like people.r, and people.r is just like another freelancing platform. Something here, remember, your gig may not be lyrics video. Probably you want to do something else. But what you want to do is you want to go to another freelancing platform. Let's say people.r, and you want to search for offers there and look for someone who is a freelancer that wants to offer the same gig you have put out there to offer. right? Did you get it? So it's more like drop shipping, but instead of drop shipping products, you are dropping services, right? For example, if you put out your basic price at $100, you want to go to a freelancing platform like people.r or even Legit. Let's say the client requests for premium package, which is, let's say you put it at $300. You want to go somewhere that has a little lesser price. Let's say the pricing is like $200 or $220. If you book or hire that freelancer, you already have, or you are already keeping $80 to yourself, which is actually fair for literally doing nothing. Another easy way to do that, you would want to go to Upwork and you want to post a job on Upwork. Put a job as, I need someone who can do a lyric video. You spell out your requirement just as required by your client. And in Upwork, a lot of people begin to book it. And the beauty of it is because people can even book lesser just to gain visibility that they should be picked, which is even a good thing for you because that is exactly what you want. So I hope you found this video helpful. This is by far the easy peasy lazy way to earn cool money on Fiverr without any skills at all. Don't want to smash the like button now. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you can join the family. Then also remember to hit the notification bell icon so when next I drop a new money making strategy, you will be the very first to see it. So stay tuned. I remain TFI.